Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford, passion for Porsche. I'm sure you're used to seeing my face by now. But today we're going to follow on from the videos that we've done before, where we talked about first, when you should sell, second, when you should buy. And today I want to talk about a sort of larger picture, looking forward to when maybe you should buy, with a view that particular cars will only come along once, and after that they'll become maybe unobtainable, or the prices will be so great that we won't be able to enjoy them. And so I'll show you what I'm talking about and go through the reasons why. So what we have here is a true homologation motorsport Porsche. Now you may not know what that means, but this car would have been built to this specification to allow Porsche to race them. So that's where the big brakes come from, and the special engine and the special gearbox and the limb slip and the strengthened body and all of that. These cars, these 996.1 GT3s, were built by Porsche Motorsport, and in very, very limited numbers. For me, it's all very well having a Bugatti Veyron that maybe does 200 who knows how many miles an hour, but this is a true driver's car. It's an analog car. It's a mechanical steering, you've got a 6-speed gearbox, you've got great ABS brakes with specially tuned ABS software, a limited slip differential, strengthened gearbox, and a motor that is so crisp and precise. These cars are absolute beautiful things to drive if you enjoy your driving. It is a little bit firm, Harry, but it doesn't have electronic suspension or any of those things. So relatively speaking, they're light, and this one's a bit more special than most of them, and a bit lighter and a bit faster and so on. But this car is all about communication. So it's very much like an old school Porsche, where everything that you do is transmitted to the car. Everything that the car's doing, you'll feel. So we're going to go for a little ride around, and hopefully I'll be able to describe well what this car does. Okay, right, time to see what it's all about. So immediately there's a different sound to it. You can have there's a different feel, because there's a much stiffer connection between the engine and the body. Solid flywheel. Really precise shift. Loads of feedback through the steering wheel, immaculate precision from the steering. So little things to notice, Harry. It's had the additional vents in here for the oil cooler, carbon bonnet. It's already got a towing eye on it. The dive planes, lightweight wheels, and the discs. I think these are probably carbon look rather than carbon fibre. It's got the pole positions in it. Left my pen in there, and I don't know what it is, might be a Momo wheel or a Porsche wheel. It's still got air conditioning, and it's still got music, but only 2 speakers, and you know, all of it inside is sort of stripped away. You've got carpets, you've got lightweight soundproofing, you've got a headlining, but it's a racing car really. Polycarbonate windows, adjustable spoiler with a little, really a gurney flap on it. Still got the towing eye in the back. I see it's got a different exhaust. That'll be part of the Manthey kit. Just looks fantastic out in the wild, doesn't it? It's like having your own little racing car, but you can still take it home because it's got number plates on it and it is legal. Big shout out, carefully your license, because this could get you into trouble really quickly, really easily. I mean, we've done a little bit on a private road here, and that's about all that we can manage. Where this car comes alive is on the open road and on track. Fantastic.